Hey, welcome to Meet Our Help tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to raise funds via DonorBox on Meet Our video conference in desktop or web. Assuming you have DonorBox campaign already set up, if you are not aware how to create a DonorBox campaign, look at the link in description below. Let us begin. Step 1. After you join the meeting, go to More Options, click on DonorBox Settings. A pop-up window will open asking your DonorBox campaign URL. Step 2. Go to your DonorBox campaign and copy the campaign URL from address bar. Now, come back to Meet Our meeting and paste the link. Later, click OK button for Meet Our to pull your campaign details and Donate button will be visible. Note: only moderator can set up DonorBox campaign inside video conference. Step 3. Once other participants click Donate button, they will see a pop-up window and can make the donation without interruption to the video conference. That's it. Now you can accept donations from desktop and mobile. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Enjoy free video conference by Meet Our. Please subscribe to our channel to stay connected with latest updates.